Hey, yo, can you help me real quick?
Got you.
Cool.
So,
Hey, you lived up north, right?
yeah, like
You
3
ever
years
put your
ago.
bikes away in the winter?
Yeah,
You think you can help me winterize this?
your bike?
Yeah, I've never done it before. It's my first time.
That's easy.
All right, bet. Cool, man. Appreciate it. I looked it up online, but I didn't see a lot about it. Can you throw that blanket down right there?
Throw the blanket down.
Yeah. Right there in the middle.
Like
Yeah,
this?
Yeah, that's cool, right?
I mean, it's lined up.
So it's good? You think that's good?
Sure.
That? Yeah. All right. So,
What's the blanket for?
for the tires. I don't get flat spots in my tires. Yeah, I just put these on here. If I have to get new tires again in the spring.
You don't want it.
What?
You don't get flat spots.
No, it says keep the tires off the ground.
Yeah.
So I put them on the blanket so they're not on the ground. They won't go flat.
You put it on the blanket.
Bro, what?
What?
Have you done this before?
Yeah.
Did you just buy new tires every year? I don't got money like you. I can't buy new tires. I can't get a flat spot, man. Come on. Is the battery in the front of the... It's right here, right?
Battery's right here, bro. I don't need to see.
Can you hand me that one too? That blanket? I think that's good, right?
Is this good for what? What are you
The
doing?
blankets.
What are you doing now?
I'm putting the blanket around the battery.
To do what?
Bro, it says online, keep the battery warm. Have you done this before?
Yes, I've winterized the bike.
Okay, so what are you talking about? I gotta put this on there or else the battery's gonna get cold.
You.
Bro, that doesn't even make sense. How did you keep yours warm? What did you have, a heater or
You can't
something?
stick pole. What you gonna do here? You about to put water in there or something?
Water? Why would you put water in the gas tank? It makes rust.
Well, you got to.
Obviously, it's antifreeze, dummy.
Whoa, dummy. You being serious?
Yes, I'm being serious.
Alright.
Bro, do you know how much fuel line's
Wait,
gonna
so
cost
you've been
me?
serious this whole time?
Bro, I need to put this in here.
Bet. I got you.
got me what?
No. Because I got bikes at home that I already winterized. I can just take this to my junk. You can just keep your bikes the way they are, and I'll just take this
You gonna take this to your spot?
to my spot
Oh, you gonna do that for me?
for you.
God, yeah. For real?
Yeah. You said this your first time?
My first time winterizing.
Bet this gonna be your last.
Come on, why?
Last.
I don't get it.
Last.
Hey, wait.
What you want me to wait
Don't
for?
forget the blanket.
I don't need that blanket, bro.
Bro, my tires are gonna get flat.
No,